Hey, science enthusiasts, ever wondered if the universe could have created itself? Sounds mind-boggling, right? Well, today, I'm diving deep into this fascinating question. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about what we mean by the universe creating itself. This idea touches on some of the biggest questions in physics and philosophy. The universe, as we know it, encompasses all of space, time, matter, and energy. So, asking if it created itself is like asking if a book can write itself without an author. To explore this, let's start the topic, can universe cause itself? The idea of self-creation, where the universe creates itself out of nothing, poses logical challenges. For something to create itself, it must already exist, which leads to a paradox. This conundrum supports the notion that there must have been an external cause or force that brought the universe into existence. The universe must have a creator. A small hut cannot build itself. A book cannot write itself. Then how can such a vast and complex universe come into existence by itself? It is impossible to believe that something as extraordinary as the universe exists without someone creating it. Some people say that atoms came together by chance and formed everything we see today. But this answer raises a bigger question. How did atoms come into existence in the first place? Even if we agree that atoms exist, they are lifeless and lack intelligence, consciousness, or purpose. How can senseless and lifeless thing create living beings, intelligence, or a complex world? It is simply not possible. When we see a painting, we naturally know there is an artist. When we see a house, we know there is a builder. In the same way, the beauty, complexity, and harmony of the universe point to a creator who made it all. The argument for no effect without cause. Every effect must have a cause. Scientists use this principle to study the world and explain natural events. For example, if you see smoke, you assume there is a fire. If a glass breaks, it is because it fell or something hit it. This way of thinking is called causal reasoning. It makes the world predictable and understandable. There is no effect without a cause and no action without an agent. Whoever denies this principle, he should prove it by creating an effect without a cause, bringing an action into existence without an agent, or dying and then coming back to life on their own. If we assume that the universe came into existence on its own, it means the universe existed before its own creation. But nothing can exist before it is created, as it would lead to a contradiction and logical fallacy. Scientifically and philosophically, the answer of this question is no. The universe can never be the cause of its own origin, because the law of causality is the foundation of science and philosophy. That's what science and philosophy is all about. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the universe's greatest mysteries, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.